I'm Gabe.
And I'm Shane.
And welcome to Gabe's Awesome Life. Make sure to subscribe.
Today we're going to do a little science. Hi.
Today we are going to be showing you how to make a lava lamp homemade.
What's that?
A lava lamp homemade. That's what we're going to show.
Okay. So the first thing is we need some supplies. So what we have for this is we have cooking oil, Alka-Seltzer, food coloring, any color, a nice glass that you can see through, like a wine glass would be good, but I don't have any wine glasses. I don't drink
Which
any
also
wine.
says this.
And that is just a cup of water. Okay.
And I would suggest using red because it's the color of lava.
All right. So, if you hold this. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some cooking oil, and we're going to pour it in the glass. Here, I'll let you pour. There you go. And you want to pour
The whole
it
thing?
up to about here.
Okay.
To about here. Okay, that's pretty good. Something like that. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to pour water in. What you'll see is that water and oil don't mix. Instead, the water is going to go to the bottom. So pour in the water. You want about half as much water as oil. A little bit more. Alright, let's let that.
That's cool.
Let's let that settle for a second.
Yeah, the seltzer?
Okay. Hold on 1 second. Let's let this relax a little bit. So you want to try to get some of the bubbles out of it. Okay. So we'll give that just a second. Now we're going to add some food coloring. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some. We want to make some little blobs of food coloring. So we'll do like 3 drops. I want to try to get them to stick together. So see how they drop down? I'm going to try to make some big blobs of it. That was a good one. It's a nice big ball. You'll notice the food coloring does not mix with the oil. Instead, it goes down and sits on top of the water.
And, which is kind of weird, it's like kind of leaking through to the bottom.
That's right. That's because when it gets to the water, it does mix. Now, this is the magic part, and I'll let Gabe do this. We're going to drop an Alka-Seltzer in. Does anybody know what Alka-Seltzer does?
What does it do?
It fizzes. It makes bubbles. It's called effervescent. When you drop it in water, it fizzes. So what do you think is going to happen when we drop this fizzy thing in there, and we've got water on the bottom and oil on top?
It's gonna make the bubbles and stuff like kind of rise.
That's right.
That's what I think it's gonna do. Yeah.
Let's see. Let's hope this works. You ready? So here's an Alka-Seltzer.
Big episode. Are you ready? 3.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Now let's wait for it to start fizzing.
Ooh, that's looking cool. That is so cool.
And then you'll see as it gets to the top, you'll see that it starts. As the water gets up to the top, it'll start to drop back down
It's
again.
like lava, and then it will rise. Wait, does it ever stop?
And when the Alka-Seltzer tab wears out, it'll stop.
Whoa, that's cool. It's like bouncing. Where's more Alka-Seltzer?
No, hold on. So that one's still going.
I know, but once it's done, I'm gonna put another in. It's so cool.
Oh, did the Alka-Seltzer just go to the top? Yep, the Alka-Seltzer just got light enough that it actually floated on top. So you can actually see it is on top now.
There's the straw.
Right
Let me
there.
get a straw and try to make it sing.
It's okay. Let's just let that fizz out and we can add another one.
I like how it doesn't mix.
Let's see what happens when we add another Alka-Seltzer. Here's one that's already going. So let's try another Alka-Seltzer.
Let's see if it still makes the same reaction the other one did. Yep, it might. Oh, yep, there it goes. That is so cool how that works. And then you start to see bigger blobs until it gets to massive blobs, like that one. That is so cool. How does it float to the top, though?
Once the Alka-Seltzer gets light enough, it's no longer heavy enough to sink. So the whole thing gets picked up by all the bubbles that it's making and goes to the top.
What if you just have a little bit of water? Then it'll sink?
Yeah, sure. And you can probably play with the amount of water and the amount of oil, and you know, try different combinations and get different bubbly patterns.
Or make it a little more red.
There's already a lot of food coloring in there. So.
We almost used up 3/4.
Yeah. But there you go. That is your homemade lava lamp.
It's really cool.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.